Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. My name is Tiffany Garcia and I'm a librarian at the San Jose Public Library. Today I will be showing you how to make Puffy Paint. Puffy Paint is a dimensional artwork that both children and adults can enjoy. For this activity you will need food coloring, 3 sandwich bags, 3 mixing bowls, shaving cream, tacky glue, and something to mix with, such as a spoon or popsicle stick. For my example here, I am going to be using estimations, but you can use measuring cups. If you can, I would recommend it. What you're going to need is food coloring. Any coloring will do. You're going to need mixing bowls for each color that you're going to use. For this demonstration, I will be using 3 colors, so I will need 3 mixing bowls. So whatever amount of glue you put in, you will need to match it up with the shaving cream. So I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of glue, and then afterwards I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of shaving cream. Because this is my first time trying this, I did do it just a little at a time. So I did the glue a little bit first, add the shaving cream, and then in a little bit, after I mix it very well, I will add a little more glue to it to make the full 1/4 cup. Now I'm going to be adding my food coloring. So to start off, you may see I'll use just 2 dollops, but then I'll see that is not strong enough. It doesn't show the color as much. So in a total, I will be adding about 6 to 8 drops for each color to make it the color very bold and visible. I am fast forwarding a little bit here because it does take a while to really mix it well. It's not a quick thing, just a quick turn and that's it. You have to stir it very, very well to get all the food coloring throughout the shaving cream and glue. It's just as important to make sure that the glue is really mixed into the shaving cream because we want it to continue to stay puffy after it dries. So now I have my 3 colors ready. I'm going to start putting them into my Ziploc bags. So 1 Ziploc per a color. So what I do is put the bag inside out, and I have my hand inside to make a little frame, and now I put it on the table, and now I'm just going to scoop it in. And the reason I put the bag inside out is to avoid having the shaving cream glue mixture outside. I want to make sure it goes all inside the bag. So make sure that the Ziploc bag is sealed tightly, that none of the shaving cream mixture is going to be coming out of the top part, because later we're going to snip a corner so that it will come out neatly like a icing bag. Now we're going to do the same for the other colors. So now again, making the bag, pulling the bag inside out so that the bottom can be easily accessible for the shaving cream mixture. And again, also trying to avoid the shaving cream from getting outside of the bag. We don't want it to get too messy. Now that we're done putting the puffy paint into the bags, we are now ready to decorate something. So I went ahead and wrote out a sign, and now I'm going to paint over it. You can use puffy paint if you want to draw something out. You can paint it in with the puffy paint, or you can decorate a rock or something. I will show you examples here. So as you see here, I'm squeezing all of my puffy paint down to one corner of the bag because that's where I'm going to squeeze it out. Now I'm ready to snip a corner of the bag. So just a tiny corner, because if you cut a big portion of the bag, it's going to get a big blob out of it instead of a nice sharp corner where the font won't be so thick. Now squeezing the bag, the puffy paint will start coming out, and now we can decorate. Now I'm going to try decorating a rock. I hope you have fun making puffy paint and using it to decorate many things. Thank you for joining me in the Sounds Like Public Library. Please take a few minutes to fill out our program survey. For a complete list of other virtual programs, please visit sjpl.org/virtual programs. Also, don't forget to follow us at San Jose Library on Facebook and sign up for their newsletter at sjpl.org/e-newsletter to stay informed of all things SJPL. Have a great day.